how to use reference images with Generative Fill in Photoshop. Let's get into it. So here I have an image of some students wearing a backpack, but let's say if I want to change this backpack on this student's back, we can do this using Generative Fill. So to start off with, we need to select the backpack. So I'm going to come up to the lasso tool in the toolbar and then carefully go around the outline of the current backpack. With that selection complete, we then need to click into Generative Fill, select the reference image icon and then select Choose Image. This will open up Finder or Windows Explorer, find the image that you want to swap it out to and then choose Open. Once it's uploaded, for the reference to, you want to change this to Object, so we're only looking at the backpack, and then change the intent to swap the selected area. With that configured, select Generate and then give Photoshop a couple of moments. Once that's complete, you will see your new item loaded into the area that you selected. If we come over to Properties, we can cycle through the 3 options that it gives you, and you can choose the option that works best for your project. I think this one is the best option out of the 3. I would say the majority of the time it does get this right and it does give you good results. However, there are some occasions, depending on the images that you are using, it can give you some really temperamental results. If that happens, just go back to the beginning and try again, but that's all there is to it.